Do your mad face. Do your mad face for Emma. Oh, you look mad. Do your happy face.
Uh-oh.
Mason, do your happy face.
Pip.
Computer? Yeah, Emma's going to put on the computer. Do your happy face. No, that's not your happy face. What are you eating? What's in your hand? Is that a cupcake? What is it, sweetie?
Cake.
Cupcake. Do you like the cupcake? Can you say thank you?
Milk.
And your milk? Can you say thank you, Mason? Can you say thank you to Emma? Oh, goodness. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Emma.
Emma.